Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel guys. So today we turned our bike on. It's asking for service, which I'm going to show you how to reset your service. You're going to see this right here, and also you're going to see that wrench at the top. So we're going to navigate through our menu to get into service. Alright guys, so these are the buttons we're going to use. We're going to hold select, and select going to bring us into our menu. And there you go. And then over here you have your up and down. You'll see it move. And I'm going to click service. So this button is to go back, so don't click that. Click select right here, and then you're gonna see it said change oil by such and such and such and such. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit select. We're gonna select the oil and the miles it want. We're gonna select the oil change, right? And then we're gonna hit select, and then we're gonna hit down to turn it off, and then select off. Then we're going to back out of it, which is this button right here, and voila, it's gone. So now since it's gone, you can go ahead and turn it back on. So turn it back on and come down to settings to service. And then select it on, and then it's gonna go to the correct time it's supposed to go to, correct miles. So that's when they want you to change it. I'm not gonna change it before it even reach that, but yeah. So you can see the next time. So we're gonna hit reset to go back, and that's it. The light is gone, and that's how you reset your service light. Peace out.